Hello guys, I'm here to bring to you today a review and unboxing of the UMIDIGI F3S. This mobile phone isn't all about power or performance. In fact, it's all about price point and bringing to you great value for money. So without further ado, let's begin our unboxing. The UMIDIGI F3S is a fantastic mid-range smartphone, and it's worth your consideration. It packs a good camera, solid performance, and a gorgeous display into a surprisingly affordable package. The display is bright and crisp, with sharp details and an excellent color gamut. It's also impressively sharp with a pixel density of 440 ppi. The cameras are pretty good too. The 48-megapixel rear camera has a 1.8 aperture, which means you'll get a lot of light in there for close-up shots. And the 16-megapixel front camera has a 2 aperture for wide-angle selfies. Neither one seems particularly great at taking low-light photos, but they do their job well enough for social media use. It has 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, with support for more. So if you won't have any trouble running multiple apps at once or playing games. It also has Android 11. And I like how fast it is. It's blazing fast compared to other phones I've used recently. The device weighs 195 grams and is made out of plastic body with glass screen protection on top. It's powered by 5,150 mAh battery, which is good enough for 2 days of heavy usage. The phone comes with built-in 10-watt charger, which can charge this phone fully in less than 1 hour. Overall, this phone is really great, and I would definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to you.